Road trip of a lifetime.
3 countries.
One epic map. And tons of food.
First, we get big burgers in New York.
Max, watch your drink.
Don't worry, I am careful.
Oops! Oh no!
The map!
Max.
Look, the juice mixed everything up. EST, CST, PST, they are all tangled. Are we in the past now?
Paper maps are out. Digital is in. Yes! Check the flights, Chloe. But first, we need our passports and ETA. Wait, my passport, is it valid?
Check the expiration date, Mia.
Oh, only 6 months left. 6 months is the minimum limit. Without an ETA, Canada will block us.
Block us? Like on social media?
Look, the rule says it clearly. 6 months from entry date? Yes. You are just on the line.
Where is this expiration date thing?
On the photo page, Max.
Found it. I have 5 years.
Now typing Mia's passport info for the ETA. Hurry, the system looks slow. Don't panic, I am an expert. Is it frozen?
It's spinning!
Come on, load. Websites love doing this.
Boom! Approved! We have our ETAs!
Yes! High five, Leo!
Canada, here we come!
Passports check. ETA check. Next step, booking domestic flights.
Leave that to me, the bargain queen. Opening the Budget Airlines app now.
Find a flight with free snacks.
No way! Cheap flights mean 0 free food. 40 seconds left. The price will jump.
Click it. Just click anything. No, wait. Check the total price first.
This budget airline ticket is basic economy. Is that bad for us? It means no food, no pillows, no seats together.
No free food on a 5-hour flight? I will turn into a ghost. We can pack sandwiches, Max. Calm down.
Wait, look at the checkout page now. What? The price just doubled. Hidden fees, baggage fees, and online surcharges. Change of plans. No checked baggage. Everyone gets only 1 carry-on backpack.
But my shoes,
My jackets.
my hair gel. Max, look, even I am using just this backpack. It saves us $50 per flight. $50? Okay, I can leave the hair gel.
Tickets are locked. Pressing book now. Done. No hidden fees can catch us now. Next stop, America to Canada borders.
Wait, what time does your watch say? It says 2 o'clock. Mine says 3. We are already losing time.
Because New York is EST, but Mexico City is CST. So we gain an hour when we fly south? Exactly. It is a 1-hour difference back.
1 hour back? We are time travelers. Let's go back and eat lunch again. That is not how it works, Max.
Oh no. Look at our Canada layover. It says only 45 minutes. Wait, check if that is local time or EST.
Relax. Canada local time is 1 hour ahead, so 45 minutes is actually nearly 2 hours.
Phew. We won't miss the connecting flight. To save money, we must take a red-eye flight.
A red-eye flight? Sounds like a monster movie.
No, Max. It just means flying late at night.
Time zones are locked. EST to CST sorted?
We are ready.
And I am awake. We need winter coats for Canada.
And swimsuits for Mexico beaches.
This is a mountain, not a backpack. Get in there, you giant jacket. Max, stop squeezing it like that. But it resists, Leo.
Do not fold. You must roll your clothes. This is the Ranger roll technique.
Wow, it becomes so tiny, Chloe.
Remember, budget airlines have a strict rule. Maximum weight is 7 kilograms only. 7 kilos? That is lighter than my dog. Max, why is there a giant hairdryer here? This alone weighs 2 kilograms. But I need my hair fluffy for photos.
We can reallocate the items. Leo's bag is light, so he can take Max's shoes. Smart strategy. Teamwork wins.
4 bags, all under 7 kilos. No hairdryer, but still handsome.
Luggage rule mastered. Next stop, the airport.
JFK Terminal 4. We made it on time.
Look at that giant flight board.
Find our airline name, quick.
Time to scan our passports at the kiosk.
Is it going to eat my passport?
No, Max. It just prints our boarding passes. Look, our real boarding passes are out.
Gate 24, Zone B.
We are official. Next stop, security gate.
Laptops out. Put them in the gray tray. Do I need to take off my shoes too? Yes, Max. Everything goes through the scanner.
Hello, here are our passports and printed ETAs. We are traveling to Canada for a road trip. Everything is fully valid, officer.
Enjoy your trip to Canada, kids.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. We passed customs, team.
Customs clear. Boarding pass is ready.
Canada map, we are entering you soon. First international leg is successful.
Fly high, team. Wow. Look at the red leaves everywhere. Canada autumn is beautiful. Keep driving. Take a picture, Mia.
Say cheese. Got the perfect shot. Show me. Is it clear?
Yes, look at Max's silly face. Oh no, the hotel uses automatic check-in. It closes at 5, local Canadian time.
So we only have 1 hour left, not 2? GPS says we are 40 kilometers away.
At this speed, can we reach it?
Yes. If we don't stop, we have 10 minutes to spare.
But wait, I need an emergency snack stop.
No way, Max. No stopping allowed.
My stomach is completely empty.
We are here, 4:58 on the clock.
2 minutes left before the door locks activate.
Max, Mia, grab the bags and run.
Go, go, go! The clock is ticking. Follow the stone path.
Wait for my short legs.
Oh no, my shoelace is loose.
Do not stop. Just keep hopping.
I am trying, I am hopping.
Here is the smart lock. It is still active.
Get the access code from the email, quick.
I am opening the paper template now.
48920.
Oh no, it beeped red. Wrong code.
Wait, the last number is a 6, not a 0. 5 seconds left. Type the 6 now.
Pressing 6. Come on, work.
It's turning green. We did it.
Yes, the heavy mechanical lock is open.
Look inside. It looks so warm and cozy, and I smell hot cocoa food.
We are safe and warm inside.
Canada road trip part 1, done.
Enjoy the hot drinks, team.
This is Hola. What does that sign say?
It says immigration this way.
Keep moving, don't lose the group.
Everyone needs to fill out the FMM form online.
Is it in English or Spanish?
Both. Enter your passport number here.
Uh-oh. I typed taco instead of hotel. Max, the destination address must be real. But I am so hungry, Leo.
Our turn now. Keep your digital forms open. My heart is beating so fast. Just answer politely about our purpose of travel.
What is the length of your stay in Mexico?
We are staying for 5 days, officer. Just vacation and scuba diving in Cancun.
Yes, we got the stamp. Mexico is ours. Shh, Max, be quiet inside the terminal. Oops, sorry. Viva Mexico. All procedures done. Welcome to Mexico.
3 countries in 1 week.
Feel this warm tropical air, everyone. Finally.
Time for tacos.
Look at the ocean. The ferry is huge. Jankel docked right there. Get the tickets out.
The water is so clear, I want to swim now. Stop. Look at that baggage sizer bin.
Does my bag have to fit inside that iron box?
Yes. If it doesn't fit, they will charge us extra.
It is stuck. It is not going down. Max, your bag is too thick for carry-on rules. Push it with me, Leo. Push it.
I have a smart trick. Open the bag, take out the jackets, and wear them all.
Wear them all? In this hot tropical weather? I am a giant marshmallow now.
But look, the backpack slides in perfectly.
Yay! No extra fees, but I am melting. Tickets confirmed. You may board the ferry now. Thank you, sir. All clear, guys. Move forward. We are officially heading to the boat. Baggage test passed. Ferry is moving. Unzipping now. Freedom and fresh air.
We saved $50 again, team. Cancun Ocean, here we come.
Oxygen valve is open. Safety check complete. Ugh. Am I a real fish now, Leo? Almost, Max. Just remember to breathe slowly.
1, 2, 3, splash! Here we go, adventure time. The water feels amazing.
Look at the coral reef. Everything is perfect. Give the OK signal. This is awesome. OK signal locked. Keep swimming.
Let's review our master plan summary. Passports, ETAs, budget flights, and time zones, all mastered. We are officially professional travelers now.
To our Tri-Nation road trip. To burgers, maple leaves, and tacos.
Mission successful. See you on the next adventure.